Anybody heard ever Arba Hayot HaKodesh, 4 holy animals? We need to know the order of them, the order even. You need to know each one of them what it is. And you need to know how it's connected to your life. The names, and then I'm going to explain each one of them as we go. We need to understand that the person is in a place, really, that he needs to understand what does it mean balance. And that's, everything is there too. So the Leo is right, okay? And that's like Abraham, it's Chesed, it's Chokhmah. And then the Taurus is left, Eagle is center, and Adam Malchut, manifestation. Then where you wrote Leo, you have to write Chokhmah. For the Taurus, Bina. For the Eagle, Zir and Pin. And for human being, manifestation, Tikkun Olam. Then, again, where you wrote the Leo, Aryeh, is Yir'ah. It means an awe. The Taurus, it's one of the name of God, Shin, Vav, Resh. But if you start Vav, Shin, Resh, it means love. So it means the second one is love. Okay, that's where the show, the Taurus. And then Eagle, it was central, Ziranpin, it means central. And then we have the Malchut, again, the Adam and Tikkun Olam. Now, a person have to reach a level that he's balanced spiritually and physically. There is no such a thing that the person have physical balance without having spiritual balance. There's no such a thing, the opposite too. They have to go together. And if they don't go together, the person is hurting himself.